takeout style black pepper chicken. So easy to make at home. First you want to do is you want to get your chicken cut up into 1/4 inch pieces. Then you want to get your sherry, your soy sauce, and your cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of each and mix that up. Sit aside, let marinate, get your peppers and your onions cut up. And then it's just pretty simple from there. Once you get those all cut up, you're gonna set that aside. You're gonna get you a tablespoon of oil. You get your marinated chicken in there. You're gonna saute that for about 30 seconds on each side. Take that out. You're gonna set that aside. Get another tablespoon of oil. You're gonna get your ginger, your peppers. Now you can use ground ginger or fresh ginger, and you get your garlic in there. Saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add back your chicken. The black pepper sauce. It's you make that ahead of time and just follow that instructions on the screen. Damn, that looks good. Yeah, just saute that for another 2 minutes. Allow the sauce to thicken. You add a little bit of salt, and then you're pretty much done. Follow, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.